Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some fresh garlic Parmesan green beans. Trying to do up some sides, give everybody some ideas, something different that you may not have tried. We love these every year. I make these and this is what you'll be needing. Okay, I have 5 medium cloves of garlic that we're going to chop up really well. Just give it a whack there. And just, you want this chopped really well. Really minced up really well. But I'm going to go ahead and chop these up. As I said, I have 5 cloves. And we'll just continue to chop these. And I just wanted to bring up, if you guys see that big bruise on my hand there. I had to, I was at the hospital and they had to do some tests and stuff on me. And as you can see, I had that big bruise there. I just didn't want y'all to be like, what is wrong with your hand? Okay, I got this chopped up. Okay, here in my pot I have my water. Now I am going to salt it. Get some salt here. Some salt in there. And I couldn't find the fresh ones, so I grabbed these ones here. They're washed, trimmed, and ready. Whoop. Green beans. I'm going to go with maybe half this because I think this is a couple of pounds. I'm going to do a pound for now. Save the other half for Thanksgiving. Now, you can drop these in here. If you're the type that likes the more crisp green bean, and want to keep that vibrant green color, just blanch them in there for maybe a minute and take them out. But when we saute them, they're not going to cook long there either. So cook your beans how you like them. Now for me, I go for more of a softer bean. Not real soft, but kind of in between. So I cook mine maybe 5 to 6 minutes in this salted water here. So I'm going to let these cook, guys. As I said, cook them as tender as you want them. And that should be enough. That's some big beans right there. All right. Okay. My beans are done. I cooked mine for 5 minutes. Let them drain really well. And in my pan here, I have a tablespoon of baking grease. Now you can use butter and olive oil if you want. But that little bit of bacon grease helps them. And I'll go in with maybe a tablespoon or so of some olive oil. And to my pan there, I'm going to add up my very well minced garlic. Now make sure your pan is not really hot because we're not looking to brown this. We just want this to cook for, you know, I had somebody on there tell me one time, did you just say fur? And I was like, oh my God, I don't even realize I say that, you know, stir it fur. But just for a minute or so, just until you start smelling that aroma real good of that garlic. And keep it moving. You don't want this burned because it will ruin your green beans. And this comes together really quick. We'll just keep it moving. You want it cooked, but you don't want it burnt either. Okay. Now to this, I'm just going to toss in my green beans. Now, if you have your I had some bacon fat there. I saved that. That's liquid gold's what we call it. You can add you some crumbled up bacon in here if you want. while the garlic sauteing. You can also put you some dried cranberries in here, which is really good. These are just, they're basically done. We're just getting everything mixed up here. Let these go maybe another minute or so, and they're done. And we'll get them plated up, guys. Okay. Now, in your pan, you put much as salt on them as you want. But I salted them, and I like to use the magic seasoning blend of lemon pepper, whatever kind you like. But I like this one. There's no salt in it. And I like to just drizzle a little bit of that right on top. Curtis, can you give me my crushed pepper right there and open that for me? Now you can do this right in your pan, season them up, stir them up. But I just wanted to show y'all here how I did it. And then we'll go in with some Parmesan, some fresh grated Parmesan. And you can stick these, or you can leave them right in your pan and just put the lid on, and that parm will melt all over these. They're really good, guys. Something different. We do more of these than we do the, a lot of people like the green bean casserole. And just a little bit. Let me take this out of the bottle. It's going to take me forever. This is optional. Some red crushed pepper flakes right on top. Little spice. And you put much as cheese on these and pepper as you like. There we are. There they are, guys. I didn't come back and say, there's the finished product. You guys got to finish it right with me. Okay, Curtis, go on. Try them. You're waiting, son.
Okay. Take this one right here.
Get you one with that cheese. But I wanted to do them here in front of y'all. I should have just stayed at the stove and put the cheese in the lid. That way they would have melted all over. Ain't those good?
Those are so good.
Yeah, but like I said, you could put you some crumbled bacon, some cranberries. You know, you could add whatever you want to these green beans, but we like them just kind of just like that. But I won't see you guys till next Sunday, so I want to wish each and every one of you a very blessed Thanksgiving. And if you got a lot of leftovers like we do, like I like to do, I always try to think of who out there is in need of a nice hot dinner, and what better way to give thanks, their appreciation, and receiving a nice hot meal, because there's so many people out there that are hungry, you know, the homeless. You know, it just makes you feel good if you have extras, leftovers to give. You know, what better way to give than a nice hot meal like that. But until next time, I hope you guys add these to your Thanksgiving dinner. And once again, I wish each and every one of you a very, very blessed Thanksgiving. And stay healthy and stay safe. We will see you guys next week. God bless.